My god, I look awful. Oh my god. Hello, bluebies. Okay, so.
Oh no.
Apparently, I'm gonna stay here.
Why don't you go there behind the light?
Because I am good.
You're stupid.
I am doing the intro. Do you mind?
You need to go under the light so you.
Under the sea. Anyways, hi, bluebies.
God, I need to stop spilling the f***ing water. I'm sorry.
So right now it's currently, what time is it? I was watching some K-drama and I've decided that I wanted to eat mini pancakes.
I don't know how to clean this.
You did it, okay? You take responsibility. I wanted to make mini pancakes in there and you freaked up.
Sorry. I don't think I'll be able to fully clean it, but sure.
Yeah. Just go in the dishwasher and clean it. Why are you boiling that thing? Okay, wait. Let me show you guys what she did. So I wanted to make like pancakes, and she got like the frying pan to make the egg whites because she made carbonara before. And I told her she was going to throw the egg whites. Anyways, like this is how she made the pan look like. Because she wanted, I told her to cook the egg white for the cat. We don't have a cat, but it's like...
Can cats eat eggs?
I don't know. I'm sorry,
no.
kitty. And now we've just... I think...
Might or might not have killed a cat. Can cats eat eggs?
Let me search that. Okay, I have to search that, everyone. Give me a second.
If they do hurt, you won't be able to release this footage. Because you know how crazy the internet goes.
Okay. I mean, like for the dogs, it's considered protein. Yes, they can. Therefore, it is recommended that cats consume only cooked eggs. Okay, it's fully cooked, everyone. We didn't kill the cat. Okay, everyone, I'm back because my sister is annoying. She killed the pan. Not only you killed the cat today, you managed to...
Hey, in fact, I helped the cat with some protein, okay? The panda might not be alive.
Okay, I am speechless.
Honey, are you kidding me?
Okay, so she might have killed the pan for good.
I think you're not making pancakes in here. I think you're not making any food in here ever again.
Tell me why. Why did I give her that idea? Just explain to me why. Because I want to know. I'm curious.
Because you love cats.
Yeah, I love all animals, but cats are my least favorite animal.
That's why I said it.
I'm a dog person, but who cares?
You're a hater of cats, but in honesty...
I am a hater of cats? What are you talking about?
You say you hate them, but you actually don't. You love them, you care for them.
I don't love them, but I don't hate them either. It's just they are non-existent to me.
Not possible.
It's her fault that the pan is not working.
The pan so bad. I'm sorry, pan. I killed you.
1, 0.
Besides the scratches, this pan is ready for pancakes.
I paid 20 euros on that pan. You better give me back my 20 euros.
You better get your 10 I give. Okay, I'm gonna get you album, fine.
I want my pan back.
No, you want the album more than the pan.
I want the pan back.
Do you?
Yeah, because I can buy the album with that money. Okay, I'm getting hot. Wait, you see? Like the scratches there? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna just like try and make the pancakes with the pan that now I have, not half. Boom. Keep this spoon, I might need it later. Always wash your hands before the eggs, and after the eggs. Some people are putting butter, but I'm putting oil just because I'm lazy to melt the butter. Oh my god, it's slippery. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this now. I spilled some outside, it's fine. And it's a little bit more milk. Oh no, I added too much milk. Too much milk. Actually, the consistency is perfect. It may look like it's runny, but it's kind of thick. Okay, I see you guys in the next step. Okay, let's take the fact that I'm dieting out and proceed the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna add chocolate. You can see a little bit here, it's kind of dark, I'm sorry. The lightning. Yep. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Boo, bye!